Unicorn Milkshakes with Nyam Nyam. You need 120 grams of white chocolate and 1/4 cup of milk. Melt them in the microwave. Add some blue food dye and mix. Put that aside, and now in a blender add 4 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1½ cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of grenadine syrup, and 1 teaspoon of strawberry essence. Then blend. Excellent. Right, back to our blue melted chocolate mixture. We're going to pour that into a piping bag. Now pipe onto the inside of your glasses. Let it drip down the sides. And pour in your strawberry ice cream shake mixture. Whipped cream on the top. Some sprinkles. And a bit more blue chocolate. How easy was that? Good job, Nyam Nyam. You have 2 fantastic unicorn milkshakes. Yum!